Hello my dear students, Arshdeep Kaur here and this is your physics class for standard 8th. In this class I am going to solve the numericals which are based on the chapter electricity. Okay, watch the video till end for better understanding of all the numericals. Okay, so let's start. In these numericals we are going to use two formulas. First one is the P is equal to V into I. Students, here P is the electric power. Okay, P is the electric power, V is the voltage, or you can say it is a potential, I is a current, E is the energy consumed. Okay, E is the energy consumed or energy consumption. So power is equal to V cross I, V into I, and E is equal to P, power in watt into T, time in hours upon 1000. Okay, now for these units, SI units we are going to use here. The unit of power is watt, W-A-T-T watt. The unit of potential is or voltage is V. Unit of current is ampere A, and energy unit is kilowatt hour, or in simple CGS system it is a joules. Okay, so let's start the first numerical. This is the I part. Okay, I part is the numericals. In I part there are 5 numericals. So the first numerical is an electric current of 0.3 ampere flows through the filament of an electric bulb when connected to a 220 volt mains supply. Now you can see here 2.3 ampere. 0.3 ampere mean this is a current and 200 volt is the potential. So what is the electric power? Electric power we want to find here. So first numerical, let's solve it. First, given here is first current. Notation of current is I is equal to 0.3 ampere. Okay, next is potential V is equal to 200 volt. Okay, electric power P is equal to V into I. Okay, so P is equal to V into I. Now the value of V is 200, value of A is 0.3 is equal to unit of power is watt, W. Then we can say that the answer is 60 watt. The answer is 60 watt. Okay, hope so you just understand numerical. Just we put the value of V and I in this formula and we get the power P is equal to 60 watt. This is the answer. Okay, now let's solve the second numerical. Students, in second numerical, given that a fluorescent tube is marked 40 watt to 20 volt. It means 40 watt. 40 watt means power is given, 220 volt potential is given. What current is flowing through it when being operated? What current? We want to find current I. Okay, so let's solve it. Second numerical. Numerical number 2. Second. Here given is first one. Power P is equal to 40 watt, V is equal to 220 volt. We want to find I. Okay, now we know that P is equal to V into I. So I is equal to P upon V. Okay, V multiply हो रहा है इस साइड पे, in that side it will divide. Okay, so value of P is 40 watt upon 220 volt beta, 220 volt. I just right wrong, 220 volt. Okay, and now the unit of current is ampere. 0 के साथ 0 cancel. Okay, we can cut it with the table of 2. 2 to the 4, 2 11 the 22. Now the answer is 2 upon 11 ampere. Okay, now just find out in the decimal form. Okay, so divide 2 11. The answer is 0.18 ampere. I is equal to 0.18 ampere. Hope so you well understand it. Now students, third numerical is there. Now in third numerical, a washerman uses an electric iron for 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours के लिए वॉशरमैन ने इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन को यूज़ किया. इफ़ द पावर रेटिंग ऑफ द आयरन बी 440 वॉट. ठीक है, 450 वॉट, सॉरी, कि 450 वॉट जो है वो पावर है आयरन की. हाउ मच एनर्जी इज़ इन किलोवाट आवर हैज़ बीन कंज्यूम्ड बाय हिम. को कितनी एनर्जी जो है उस इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन ने यूज़ की है, कंज्यूम की है 6 आवर्स में. So let's start to do it. It's one a simple numerical. Now third numerical, given that number 1 time t is equal to 6 hours. Okay, now the second is given, power P is equal to 450 watt. Okay, we want to find in kilowatt hour. Now as we know that energy is equal to power into time. Okay, now power in, we have power in watt into time in hours divided by 1000, then it become kilowatt hour. Okay, kilowatt hour is equal to power in watt is 450 into time is 6 upon 1000. After solving we get 450 into 6 is equal to 2700 upon 1000 kilowatt. It means 0 से 0 cancel, then we have 27.10, that is 2.7 kilowatt hour. Okay, the energy consumed by the electric iron is 2.7 kilowatt hour. Now next the fourth numerical, second last numerical is here. In Ashok's room there are 2 fans of 75 watt each. 2 फैन है, दोनों की जो एनर्जी है 1 की वो 75 वॉट है. 2 ट्यूब्स ऑफ 40 वॉट, 2 ट्यूब्स हैं 40 वॉट ईच, एंड अ बल्ब ऑफ 5 वॉट, और एक बल्ब है 5 वॉट का. इफ़ ऑल द अप्लाइंसेज आर यूज्ड फॉर 6 आवर, जितने भी ये फैंस हैं, ट्यूब्स हैं, बल्ब हैं, दैट आर यूज्ड फॉर 6 आवर्स, देन कैलकुलेट द हाउ मच यूनिट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कंज्यूम्ड, कि कितने यूनिट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के कंज्यूम्ड हुए हैं. That we want to find. So let's start. Let's write down what is given first. Now first given, two fans, is equal to 75 into 2 is equal to 150 watt. Okay, second is 2 tubes power of two tubes is equal to 40 watt each. It means 40 into 2 is equal to 80 watt. Now power of a bulb is equal to 5 watt, is equal to 5 watt. Then total power consumed, just add it all. $235 watt power is consumed by the Ashok's room. Okay. Now next is energy consumed. E is equal to power in watt into time in hours divided by 1000. Then we have power is 235 watt into time is 6 hours divided by 1000. After multiplying we have 1410 upon 1000, 0 se 0 cancel, then we get this much. Then after solving we have 1.41 kilowatt hour. Okay, now this kilowatt hour is called units. It means 1.41 units consumed by Ashok's room in 6 hours. So let's do the last numerical, fifth numerical. In fifth numerical, given that last numerical, calculate the cost of running a geyser of 2 kilowatt power rating for 2 hours. Geyser, the power is 2 kilowatt and it is used for 2 hours. Find the cost if the cost of 1 unit is rupees 5.50 rupees. Okay, so given is power, time and cost of 1 unit. Okay, so first of all find out the energy consumed. E is equal to P into T. Now P is 2 kilowatt into 2, that is 4 kilowatt hour. It means 4 units. 4 units are consumed by the geyser for 2 hours. Okay, so the cost, okay, cost is equal to 4 units into rupees 5.50. So 4 into 5.50 rupees. Okay, after multiplying we having rupees 22.00 paise. This much cost. Okay, 22.00 paise. So these are the numericals related to this power, electric power and energy. Hope so all of you just understand it. Thank you for watch the video. So if you understand well, then like, share and comment the video. Thank you.